Hi everyone, welcome back to Ennoble Kendra, and in this video we're going to be looking at a topic called kennings. So, what is a kenning? Viking phrase kenna eat vito. Kenning is a figurative language. It's kind of like a poem, but it uses ER and good words. Now, important points to remember for a kenning. So, a kenning is a poem, and it's not only a poem, it's a short poem. It expresses an inanimate or animate object. So it can express both. Suppose you're thinking of a pillow. You can make a kenning on a pillow. You can even make a kenning on an animate object like a human. And it uses metaphors. And if you want, it can even use similes, but mostly a kenning uses only metaphors. The last words in a kenning always end with ER. No other word in a kenning ends with ER except the last words. And that is very necessary. That then only it gives the speciality of a kenning. And there's one thing to remember. For a kenning, you should always give a nice heading. And you can give one or more things or one or more adjectives to describe the objects. Now, let's take an example of a kenning. Chatting stopper, madam teller, bored writer, careful listener, teacher believer, best sponsor, lunch checker. So here, as I said you, the last two words should always end with ER. So if you can see, all my words, which I've made at the last, is ending with ER. Stopper, teller, writer, listener, believer, responser, and checker. And I've made one word as the adjective. And also, these are all metaphors, if you can see. So the answer for this kenning is a class monitor. So whenever you make a kenning, the first thing is that you have to place the heading. So I just wanted you to guess this. That's why I have not placed the heading. But it's very important to place the heading at first place. Class monitor. Now, how to make a kenning? So first you have to think of a topic for the kenning. Like I said, a pillow or a badminton racket. Let's think a dog. So here's a cute dog picture. I'm thinking about it right now. And now I make up a kenning. So the second step, what to do is you have to think of some words related to the dog. So you can list them down. So I can say a dog is friendly, it sleeps a lot, it poops in the house sometimes, it makes us smile, it hates cats, it listens nicely, and it's a popular pet. With like a cat, it's a popular pet. So what to do? Think of the topic and think of some words related to the topic. The third step of how to make a kenning is think of some words associated with it. So you can make a kenning because a kenning is kind of like two words in a sentence. And you have to add ER to the last word. So at the end, voila, you make a kenning. If you join all of these points together, you will get the kenning. So this is the kenning I have made. Friendly helper, 12-hour sleeper, house pooper, smile maker, cat hater, good listener, popular petter. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the notification bell to stay in touch with our videos. Bye.